So hey guys, this is another view of the clic clac fidget toy designed by Poalo Bassetta. So guys, Poalo Bassetta made it. Now guys, this is the one that I made yesterday, and guys, when I tried to make it into still like the huge one, it was really messy. It didn't look like it. You see? Look, this looks very messy on here and here too. This is the one that I made yesterday, but it was really messy. You see? Every time I try to like do this, well, here's what happens. That's not even like a rectangle. You see? Look. It looks so horrible. But can it spin well? Yeah, it can spin, but guys, this Origami can't. Oh, yep. But guys, it can sometimes do this one. It can sometimes go. I'm gonna go like this. But yeah, guys, it's really messy. It has a giant hole. But guys, this is the clic clac Origami fidget toy that I made today, and it looks so much cleaner. You see, the holes are smaller, and it's so much cleaner. It's very clean. And yeah, it can do this well. But guys, what about the steroid octahedron? Yep, it can do a steroid octahedron. Yep. But then, what about the 2x1? Yes, it can transform into a 2x1 rectangle well. But then, yeah. That works well as well. But then, can it also spin? Oh, whoa. Yep, it can spin well. Yep, guys, this looks so much cleaner. Now, guys, I like this. I like how Poalo Bassetta designed it, because it looks so cool. Yep, this is so much cleaner. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.